here. Well, that's not Gina DeLuca waving at you right now, but it's Gina DeLuca talking to you. Who is waving at you? Geez, I don't know. Welcome to the December This Little Piggy Switcheroo. And what is happening is there's a bunch of premieres happening today and tomorrow and next weekend. And we've switched it up. I'm doing the voiceover for another artist, and you have to guess who it is. So, if you are watching this after the premieres take place, you will be able to see in the description box who was the artist, so you can go check them out and follow them. So right now, the artist is stirring up some paints. These were leftover paints, combinations of colors. So no exact colors to give you there. The consistency appears to be pretty thin. I would say on my consistency scale, that looks like it might be a 1. Possibly a 2. Very pretty colors. Lovely. Excellent choice of color palette. It is always a good idea to stir your paints before you get ready to do your pour. The sauce may thicken upon standing. And that applies for whatever technique you're doing. And we are gently removing the stir sticks from our cups, carefully. And as you can see, there's a nifty contraption on the left there. Kind of a dust pan with some channels in it. Excellent layering technique happening here. Those colors look gorgeous together. And now we are doing a ring pour. Interesting that the artist has chosen that direction to pour from. Everybody has their thing. I have a tendency to pour from the direction that the paint went into the cup. This artist has turned it to the side, which will give you a very different look. That's how we all wind up getting our own looks. Even though we're doing the same technique, you can change one little thing. I'm loving the pinky. Delicate. All right. And hitting it with the torch, popping the bubbles. Oh boy, it's about to get exciting up in here. It's tilting time. Patience is your friend when you are working with fluid art. You could just whip this around and cover your canvas. But if you take your time, you can really have a lot of control and get pretty precise about your coverage and what areas you want to keep and what you want to tilt off. in certain techniques, you have to be patient. If you're going for boulder cells, patience is your best friend. Lots of motion going on in this composition. Those lines are stretching out beautifully. When you stretch it and you open up those lines, it really can bring a ring pour to life. And now, oh yeah, dioxazine purple. 24 karat gold. Oh, I know that's going to be gorgeous. Iridescent blue-green. Windsor violet. Gorgeous color. Cobalt blue. One of my all-time favorites. Okay, so carefully loading up these chambers. Channels, I guess. More of a channel than a chamber. Those colors are just popping next to each other. Gorgeous. Yeah, this is going to be super cool. I don't know if y'all are as excited as I am to see what happens here. I kind of want to get myself one of those little handy dandy dustpan thingies. Here we go. Oh, very cool. Awesome ribbon action going there. Yes. Oh, and the little dots. I love it. I love it. That is so cool. Yes, yes, yes. I love when artists think out of the box. That is what is happening here. Very cool. But there's more. And now a bit of stretching. Manipulating that composition a bit. But also, you don't want to leave too much paint on your canvas. That can lead to cracking. I know those metallics are looking amazing. Getting that tilt on. there is more magic awaiting. This artist is not done. They have something in mind. All right. Oh, look what we have here. We have a rubber glove that is going to be used to dip. This is going to be a rubber glove dip. And different things that you use to dip, if you use a balloon or a glove, whether it's filled with air, filled with water, all of that does make a subtle difference and can yield different results. Even your dip technique, do you lift straight up and down, or do you kind of roll it? That is going to determine the direction of your dips. Every tiny thing that you change will give you different results. So, the artist is dipping that glove until they feel they are finished. How do you know when you're finished? You just know. I have a hard time walking away sometimes. Step away from the painting. Okay. About to see a gorgeous close-up of these lovely sparkly pigments. Gorgeous piece of work. So, who do you think it is? Who is the artist of this blinging splendor? Look at those piggies sparkle. Scrumptious. So be sure to put in the comments who you think it is. And do check out the other videos from the other artists and see if you can guess the others. Links to those videos will be in the description box, so you can check out all of the artists involved in the December Switcheroo. And there you have it, folks. I hope you have a beautiful day. Go make some art.